Preparing for professional exams or just want to sharpen your skills? AssignmentHelp.net brings you the ultimate professional practice test, real world skill assessments with instant feedback on your performance. Our professional practice test helps you test your knowledge across multiple fields, get real time scores, correct and incorrect answers, and improve with step by step solutions. Practice tests are available for various subjects, including programming and development, C, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, Node.js, PHP, MATLAB, and more. Graphic design and multimedia, Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Premiere Pro, SolidWorks, and more. IT infrastructure and cloud services, AWS, Azure, Linux, Git, AutoCAD, Microsoft Excel, and more. Business tools and methodologies, Google Ads, Google Analytics, Agile, QuickBooks, Tableau, and more. With AssignmentHelp.net, you can practice anytime, anywhere, and get real time results instantly. Taking a test is simple. Just follow these steps. 1. Choose a subject and start the test. 2. Answer multiple choice questions. 3. Get instant feedback on correct and incorrect answers. 4. View your score and track your progress. 5. Review correct answers. Once you complete the test, your score is displayed instantly. Flipping to see the total correct, incorrect, and unanswered questions right away. Check which answers you got correct and which ones were incorrect. The right answers are highlighted in green, while incorrect ones appear in red, so you can learn from your mistakes. Want to improve? Just click the reset button and retake the test for better results. Why is our professional practice test the best? Here's why. Instant feedback, no waiting for results, expert curated questions, real world problem solving experience, mobile friendly, practice anytime, anywhere. Reset and retake, improve your performance. Need help? Our 24/7 live chat is here to assist you. Get instant guidance from experts whenever you need it. AssignmentHelp.net is accessible in 9 languages, making learning easy for everyone. English, Hindi, Chinese, Spanish, Vietnamese, French, German, Arabic, Italian. The best part? It's completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just quality practice tests to help you ace your exams. Join millions of students and professionals already using AssignmentHelp.net to practice, improve, and succeed. Visit AssignmentHelp.net today and take your skills to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning resources.